Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by adding Using System. Windows, Forms at the top of your file, then instantiate a tooltip with var tooltip equals new tooltip, configure timing properties next. Set tooltip. Auto pop delay equals 5000 to keep tips visible briefly. Set tooltip. Initial delay equals 500 so tips appear quickly after hover. Set tooltip. Reshow delay equals 100 to reduce repeat delay between controls. Toggle tooltip. Is balloon equals false for a standard rectangle or true for a balloon style? Optionally set tooltip. Use animation equals true to animate appearance smoothly. Attach tooltip text using tooltip. Set tooltip, my control, helpful hint text. That method stores the string and shows it on hover. For precise placement, call tooltip. Show, tip text, my control, 10, 20, 3000. The show overload accepts X and Y offsets and a millisecond duration value. Use set tooltip for persistent hover behavior and show for immediate programmatic display. Reuse the same tooltip instance across many controls to conserve resources and keep appearance consistent. Do not create a new tooltip per control unnecessarily. Follow best practices to ensure reliable, accessible tooltips in your app. Reuse a single tooltip instance instead of creating many separate objects. When the form closes, call tooltip. Dispose to free native resources promptly. Set accessible name and accessible description on controls to improve screen reader compatibility. Tune delays for usability. Initial delay equals 500, auto pop delay equals 5000, reshow delay equals 100 for responsive behavior. Avoid showing overly long text. Keep tips concise and actionable. Prefer set tooltip for.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.